Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth episode of Lunch Idea Recipes. For today's recipe, we have one of my favorites. We're making pasta with shrimp. The total price per person will be less than $7 and the preparation time is about 30 minutes. It's going to be easy, it's going to be delicious, so let's grab all the ingredients and start making this amazing pasta. The first ingredient is obviously pasta. I'm using fettuccine. Then we will need 6 to 8 shrimps per person, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, about half a cup of white wine, and a bunch of parsley. Before we start cooking the pasta, let's prepare all the ingredients first. We are going to start with cleaning the shrimp, and we're going to do so starting from the tail and then moving all the way up. If the shrimp that you're using still has the head, please keep it because that's what gives the extra flavor to the pasta. After we have cleaned all the shrimp, let's start cutting the parsley, mincing the onion, and then mincing the garlic. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let's put some water to boil with salt and olive oil. As soon as the water starts boiling, add the desired pasta amount and then cook it until al dente. I love using the Cecco pasta, but feel free to use your favorite brand. While the pasta is cooking, in a frying pan, let's add some olive oil, the garlic and the onion. After about 30 seconds, let's add the shrimp. After a minute has passed, we are going to flip the shrimp and then cook it for another minute. Now it's time to add the white wine together with some salt and pepper. One of the biggest mistakes that people do when cooking the shrimp is overcooking it. And the reason why it's so common is because people add the white wine right after the shrimp has been fully cooked. To avoid having dry and overcooked shrimp, please add the wine before the shrimp has been fully cooked. This way, the shrimp is going to continue cooking while the alcohol evaporates. When the alcohol evaporates, let's add the pasta and then top it off with some parsley. If you'd like to be extra, you can also add some Parmesan cheese. Mix it really well, and that's how you make this incredible pasta with shrimp. If you did like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next video.